Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set reminders on your iPhone. So here you can select new reminder and you're going to type in the title, for instance, walking the dogs. I don't have dogs, nor do I walk, but this is just an example. So you can also place notes like bring plastic bags, or what they're called, treats, water. I don't know what you bring on a walk. Well, a leash, of course, but you can also select the details here, the date, for instance, the time as well. For instance, at like 7 a.m. Repeat, never, hourly, daily, weekdays. For instance, you only walk your dogs on weekends. Actually, I think they need more walk than that. Maybe like daily, I don't know. You can add in tags, you can add in location, stuff like that here. You can also like flag it maybe as like important, priority, high. You can also add in an image, maybe an image of your dog would be really cute. Press add, and then that's pretty much it. You'll have the reminders here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'm losing my voice. And also click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.